workout. This one, he brought this ball in here. I'm trying to get abs and arms, and you're messing with my mojo, dude. Trying to get abs. We came in the big park, and Clover's having a good time. We don't normally go in the big park because it's mostly for big dogs, but there's no one in the park right now. So he's living his best life right now. All right, ready, bud? Oh, it went way out there, Clover. Oh, go get it. All right, ready? Ready, my friend? Oh my God. He's running so far. Oh, he's going to Eve now. He likes to take turns. That's far, huh? Ready? Ready? He is back. He did not want to leave the park. He wanted to play forever. But he's back, and I went to Whole Foods, and I saw one of you guys at the Whole Foods. If you live in the Boston metro area and you see me, just come up and say hi. I really think that's fun. So hello to the young lady who came up to me at Whole Foods as a checkout. So I'll show you what I got from Whole Foods. I've got a cilantro plant because why not? I mean, I know that these are kind of short-lived, but you know, if I can get like a couple harvests out of it, wow. Okay, if I can get a few harvests out of this, I'll be happy. I got 2 things of kale, lettuce, a big bag of lemons and limes, 2 sweet potatoes, a red onion, more of that fake chicken. Oh, the packaging came out. This is Moroccan tofu cubes. I've actually eaten these before. I love these. These go great in like lunch bowls, so I'm excited for those. And just some ranch dressing. So that was my Whole Foods haul. Now I'm gonna make lunch. Gonna make a exciting vegetable bowl.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on
Yes, it's been a long time coming. I'm so hungry and it's time to eat. I will report back to you after I am done. All right, while the veggies are roasting, I'm gonna replace all of the spray arms in our dishwasher because they have food stuck in them, and our guy that came out said, gotta replace all the spray arms. They look rusted and, well, not rusted, but like busted up anyway, so I had to order all new parts. They're like over there, so we're just gonna do that real quick. Woohoo! See, the guy told us there's like food stuck inside, so I'll show you actually what it looks like. This is the lower, like, well, sort of middle spray arm, and you can see, oh my gosh, it's not focusing. There's little pieces of food stuck in there, so ew. All right, brand new. All right, so hopefully the whole dishwasher, there's a little piece of like food in there. I can see I would go grab that, but hopefully it's washed better than it has been. It's been leaving pieces of food on stuff, which is not good. All right, I'm gonna empty the compost bin and I will be right back. Why did you bring me this ball? Why? I'm eating. Also, you played for like an hour at the park. Leave me alone. Guys, look what finally decided to show up. It's my Adagio tea order from August. Let's unbox it together. I can't even believe this is here, and like the trouble I went through to get this box. Like, wow. So, if you're not familiar with this saga, I think it was like 2 videos ago I talked about this. And here it is. Here it is. It's the Bella Luna tea. You can only order it on like a few days out of the year. This one has coconut and cream in it. Yum, yum. And this one, the Bella Luna Blue. Oh, this is the Bella Luna, and then there's the Bella Luna Blue, which is like a blue tea, and it turns indigo if you, wait, it's blue, but it turns color if you add lemon juice to it. Yeah, look at that, finally. Ooh, I got 2 packages of that, and I got my stupid sample of Assam Harmony. Very excited. And what else is in here? Oh, some rock sugar. So I don't think I ordered this. I think they just stuck this in here as a sample. Wow, that was epic. Like, epic. And I finally got my stupid tea. Okay, firstly, this smells really good, like blueberries and like flowers and stuff. Ooh, it's got a really interesting smell. Look at the inside, look at the tea. Oh yeah, oh I'm looking forward to this. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. That is quite the tea. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna give it a taste. It's nice actually. Now I wanna put some lemon juice in it. All right, here's the fun part. Right now, it's blue, as blue can be. And now it's purple. I think, wow. Oh, cool. Now it's purple, fun. I think I did brew it a little long. It seems a little, well, you know what? I don't think I did. I think maybe I put a little bit too much tea in, but look at that. That is some cool tea. I'm gonna add a little bit of sweetness to it, and then I'll have my lovely cup of tea. I'm actually just gonna drink it without any sweetener in it because it tastes really nice. Okay, I'm gonna get some rest for the rest of the day because I am super tired from yesterday. And working out, I am so sore from yesterday's workout. My thighs are on fire, but I mean, it's good, I guess. So today I did arms, and so hopefully that'll be sore tomorrow. My legs feel better. All right, I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one.